Hello, I'm Carys Davies and I'm delighted my novel Clear has been shortlisted for the Wales Book of the Year. Clear is the story of Iva, the last remaining inhabitant of a small island off the far northeast coast of Scotland, and of John, the impoverished, newly married Presbyterian minister who's been sent to evict Iva from the only home he's ever known. It's also the story of Mary, John's wife, left at home on the mainland and becoming increasingly worried that John should never have accepted this mission, convinced that he's being set up as some kind of fall guy. I'd just like to read a little bit from the beginning. He wished he could swim. The swimming belt felt like a flimsy thing, and it had been no comfort to be told not to worry. The men couldn't swim either. Each time they rose, he glimpsed the rocky shore, the cliffs, the absence of any kind of landing. Each time they descended, the rocks vanished and were replaced by a liquid wall of grey. He closed his eyes. Thump. Dear God. He clung to the gunwale as they began to climb again, and he saw above the cliffs 1,000 birds soaring and wheeling. When the little boat tipped and plunged into the hollow trough on the other side, he knew it would be for the last time.